Hi friends, welcome back to another video. This video is tutorial for Deepspace game how to connect Testnet VSC wallet to Mint Testnet ship. So here, stay tuned and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So before moving forward, let me put my disclaimer here. This is all about my personal prediction, personal research. So please do your research before taking any investment decision. So here we will talk about the how to create a VSC Testnet wallet, and we need to connect and how to get TDPS reward, and we need to mint testnet ships on DPS game platform. So first of all, you must have MetaMask wallet, because MetaMask is only wallet which is supporting right now. So there are, you can see on the screen, there are four tabs: outpost, inventory, and the two another tabs we don't need. Actually here we are concerned about outpost and inventory. So first of all, we need to click on outpost. Here you will find all the list of testnet ships where you need to mint. But let us to see the CoinGecko ranking here. If we go to the categories in play to earn, you'll find the list of games where you will find this Deepspace. So let us see the current price of Deepspace. It is currently trading around 0.223 cents to create testnet wallet. So I click on MetaMask, and here I need to set up wallet for testnet. So I need to type here network name, then new RPC URL, then chain ID, and currency name. As you can see, I will put all this information on my description box. So if you, in case you need it, you can go through and you can set up your wallet. So see, now BSC test and wallet is created. So now we have to mint some ships. So let's see how we can do that. So here we need to have TDPS in our testnet wallet to mint these ships. So first of all, type this URL which is showing on the screen, and it will ask you to claim for 1000 TDPS and 1 BNB, through which we need to mint these ships. So I have already done all these tasks, so you can go through it. So here now I have to do a transaction. I have to mint a ship. So you can choose list of ships, any ships from the list, and you need to confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will take some time to mint, and the minted ship will show you in your inventory list. So that I will also show you in the in this video. So please keep patience and just watch it till end. So it is approving my transaction. So let's see how long it takes. So what I believe, after Star, Atlas, and Sidus, Deepspace is really looking very promising, very exciting game to me. But still, I'm not sure that how the development is taking place. But let's see. Hope for the best. The graphics is really exciting, very attacking. Game looks like. So if you are really a game player, game lover, then this video will be suitable for you. And this game, I think, will be a promising game for all game lovers. So let's see here. It is taking some time since my net is a little slow today. That's the reason transaction is taking time. As you can see, it is showing on the screen wait. So I'm waiting for the transaction. Meanwhile, let me show you that Deepspace. If you go to the CoinGecko, it is ranking around 1141. So if you see, in last couple of days, price has really corrected a lot. Still, I'm very much confident that this project is really gonna be a big project. So let's see. So as you can see, I have already minted one ship here, that if I want I can also list it. So I will show you how to list So I'll create my bid here. I will create my auction, you can say. So here you need to put the listing, amount. So you can put, so I put it here 40 dps, and I will confirm the transaction. So there is some royalty that will be deducted, 10%, 5%, 15%, depends on the games. So here for the listing also I need to confirm my transaction. So I need to confirm it. So here I will click on confirm, and still transaction is processing. So let's wait till it does. And here after listing, I will show you how it looks on the interface. So it will show on the outpost section, and I will show you. Let's wait. You see on the bottom it is showing that my transaction has been confirmed. So now you see it is now disabled from the inventory list because I have already listed it. So I will show you how it shows in the list. So need to refresh actually, because my net is very slow today. I don't know why. There is some network issues. So you can see on my wallet it is showing some 0.9917, or like BNB. And see, so here in outpost, you see I have already listed my, so it is showing now. If I want, since this is my ship, I have listed it, so I have the option to unlist it. But if you want to buy, so it will show for others to buy and for you to unlist, or you can modify as well. So this is only the testnet, so I will show you that how it goes. So need to confirm the transaction. So this is how it does. So I believe this video tutorial is not very complicated for you, and it will really going to help you to do these testnet transactions. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and do post your comment in my comment box, so that it will help me to encourage my confidence, and I will make some more videos based on testnet. So see, this is how it looks. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.